Imagine the dawn of a new era in adventure. The 2027 GMC Hummer RV Edition, fusing insane electric power with opulent off-grid luxury. We're diving into this game changer that shocks the RV world, blending Hummer's military-grade toughness with Earth Cruiser's overlanding mastery, because it leaves gas guzzlers in the dust forever. But what hidden feature makes it truly unstoppable? Here's the exact breakdown no other review delivers, with real specs and insider twists. Exterior design screams dominance. Squared-off lines, massive LED light bars, and a carbon fiber integrated camper shell that pops up for ultimate versatility. Solar panels crown the roof, harvesting 605 watts to fuel off-grid escapades, while adaptive air suspension lifts 6 inches for conquering deserts or mountains. Aerodynamic yet aggressive, it slices through trails like a futuristic fortress, with 35-inch Goodyear tires gripping every terrain. Inside, it's a digital command center meets luxury penthouse. Premium leather seats flow into a convertible lounge, complete with induction kitchen, Dometic fridge, hot shower, and panoramic windows that flood the space with starlit views. A 13.4-inch touchscreen orchestrates navigation, energy management, and Bose audio, while voice-activated tech keeps you connected. Feels like piloting a spaceship on Earth. Performance roars silently. 3 Ultium motors deliver 1,000 horsepower and 11,500 pound-feet of torque, rocketing 0 to 60 in 3 seconds via watts to freedom mode. Crab walk diagonals through tight spots, and 329-mile range pairs with 350 kilowatt fast charging for endless horizons. Off-road? Unstoppable, with UltraVision's 18 cameras scanning underbody threats. Safety innovates boldly. Super Cruise hands-free driving, 360-degree views, and automatic emergency braking guard your journey. Plus, bidirectional charging powers campsites or even other EVs. This shocks competitors like Ford or Rivian. Can any match its electric luxury toughness hybrid? Priced around $200,000, it's the ultimate investment for adventurers craving transformation. The 2027 Hummer RV Edition isn't just a vehicle, it's the future of untamed freedom. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more cinematic AI reviews of tomorrow's cars today. Which feature blew you away? Drop it in the comments below.